If a breaker trips, don't panic. A tripped breaker is a safety device protecting your home from overheating or fire. Here's how to reset it safely and correctly. Go to your electrical panel. Look for a breaker that is not fully on or off. It will sit in the middle position. Before resetting, unplug or turn off devices on that circuit. This reduces load and prevents sparks or re-tripping. Push the breaker firmly to the off position first, then push it back to on. If it clicks into place, power should return. Do not force it. Stop using that circuit. A short, overload, or wiring problem is likely. Call a licensed electrician. Too many devices on one outlet. Damaged cords or appliances. Space heaters or hair dryers on the same circuit. Faulty outlets or switches. A breaker is not an inconvenience. It's a warning sign. If you reset it over and over, wiring can overheat inside the walls. Overheating can lead to an electrical fire. Burning smell, warm breaker or outlets, buzzing noises, visible sparks. Breaker won't stay on. Resetting a breaker safely protects your home. If problems continue, don't ignore them. Get an electrician to investigate. Like and subscribe for more electrical and home safety tips.